Have you ever wondered how to make your money grow? The stock market is a place where you can buy and sell shares of companies. Investing might seem complex, but with the right foundations, anyone can get started. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to invest in the stock market. A share is a small piece of a company. When the company makes money, you can receive dividends. As the company grows, the value of your share increases too. Before you invest, ask yourself, why? For retirement, to buy a house, or simply to grow your savings, your goals will determine your strategy. To buy stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. Compare offers from banks and online brokers, fees, services, and the trading platform. Analyzing a company is like being a detective. Look at its profits, its debts, and its business sector. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, invest in stocks from different sectors, countries, and company sizes. This helps reduce risk. This is the moment. Choose a stock, decide how many shares you want, and place your order. You can choose a market order or a limit order. Double-check everything before you confirm. Investing isn't just about buying and forgetting. Keep up with company news, read reports, and rebalance your portfolio if needed. But try not to react to every little market fluctuation. The stock market isn't a casino, but there are risks. You can lose your capital, face volatility, and make mistakes like overtrading or chasing trends. Learn how to avoid them. So there you have it, the basics to start investing in the stock market. Remember, patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Start small, learn from your mistakes, and your efforts will pay off in the long run. Happy investing!